Put your phone down. Stop looking at the Avata 2. And for the love of everything, do not buy another action camera right now. Because the leaks we've been tracking for the last 6 months have finally coalesced into something that shouldn't even be possible. We are talking about the DJI Avata 360, a drone that is currently sending shockwaves through the FPV community and causing a full-blown panic at Insta360 and GoPro. This isn't just a new drone, it's a new category of flight. It is the world's first hybrid FPV spherical capture system, and it is officially landing in February 2026. I've been digging through the FCC filings, the internal DJI roadmap leaks, and the mistaken retailer listings that popped up just days ago. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. What I found isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a total architectural reset. Imagine a sinew hook that captures 8K spherical video while you fly, allowing you to fly first and frame later, but with the agility of a racing drone. In this video, we are breaking down the confirmed specs, the insane dual-lens 1-inch sensor rumors, the LiDAR obstacle avoidance that makes this crash-proof, and the price point that is designed to wipe out the competition. If you want to know why the Avata 360 is the most important drone release of the decade, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the impossible camera. The current Avata 2 is great, but it's limited by its field of view. You point, you shoot, and if you miss the action by an inch, the shot is ruined. The Avata 360 changes the fundamental math of aerial cinematography. It features a dual-lens system, reportedly the same 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors found in the high-end Osmo 360. This means you are capturing a full 8K sphere of video simultaneously. You can fly past a subject, and in post-production, you can look back, look up, or even do a tiny planet zoom out, all from a single flight. It's like having a 360-degree camera rig that doesn't require a bulky, dangerous mount. It's built natively into the frame. But here is the engineering marvel, the hybrid mode. Leaks from the N240 production line suggest the camera module can actually rotate or toggle into a dedicated FPV mode. When you want that classic ultra-wide 4K 120 frames per second look for high-speed proximity flying, the software optimizes the sensor readout to give you the lowest latency possible. But when you flip the switch to 360 mode, the drone starts recording everything around it. It's the ultimate, no-regrets camera system. You will never miss a shot again because you were looking the wrong way. Now, let's talk about the design, because the Avata 360 looks like something out of a stealth hangar. The leaked images show a refined, aerodynamic sinew hook frame with a significant change, 4-blade propellers. This isn't just for show. The Avata 360 is carrying more glass and more processing power, so it needs more lift and more stability. But despite the extra hardware, the rumors are pointing toward a weight that is shockingly close to the 250-gram limit. If DJI pulls this off, we are looking at the most powerful sub-250 drone in history, meaning you won't have to deal with the mountain of FAA paperwork and registration that plagues larger rigs in the USA. And for the pilots who are tired of crashing, listen to this. The Avata 360 is reportedly the first consumer FPV drone to feature a LiDAR light array for 360-degree obstacle sensing.